sitting in here for about a week. And as you see, the mats are not up, but if you were outside in the sun, it's gonna fade it, it's gonna wear the mats down. You don't wanna leave water in your footwells, but if you install them correctly, they will not pull up because of water. You need to install them over 70 degrees, and that's the surface of the plastic, not the outside temperature. You need to use a heat gun and get it real hot. Use a primer pin on the edges. But I just wanted to show you, because I've seen some people's peeled up, but it's 100% DIY error, not wet jet. Just wanted to show you this. Water is poured out. See, I'm running my finger on the seams. Nothing's pulling up. Because it was installed correctly and done with a heat gun, a primer pin, and not in the 40-degree Canadian cold. And inside a garage, it's heated. Doesn't matter. The surface needs to be hot when you put it on. So we use the Texas sun or a heat gun, and it doesn't get very cold here. So install it right, and it lasts a whole lot longer than installing it wrong. This has been Cowboy B. Peace.